This is the all-new Google Pixel 11. We're going to show you what's inside the box. This phone has been made to be super compact that the camera bump should be almost invisible with the case on. Packaging very similar to last year, it looks like. Go ahead. Nice recyclable packaging. I do appreciate that. You got little manuals. Ooh, the best part, pull out the phone. Look at that. Ooh, you no longer need a physical SIM. Activate eSIM. Going to... Oh yeah, the most satisfying part of the day. Take that bad boy out. Still comes with a USB-C charging cable, so that's nice. Feels good quality. Look at that screen. Perfectly clean and brand new. And then the cool part is the camera bump. Like, look how small that camera bump is. It's almost invisible. Like, it's still there, but almost invisible. If I put it down on the table, it's not going to wobble. Maybe right here, but nothing on the bottom. But that's where the magic case comes in. Well, just the case. Google did give these devices to me so I can make these videos. But now we're going to take this case. We got the G on the back, slide the case on, and the camera bump essentially becomes invisible. Look at that. There's no camera bump with the case on. That's the Google Pixel 11. Insane. We put it down. No more rocking. That is the Google Pixel 11 unboxing. Comment below questions that you have. We'll post a review coming very soon. Follow me, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.